How to download Fortnite on Android. This tutorial shows you how to install Fortnite using the Epic Game Store on your Android device. First, open your web browser like Chrome or Samsung Internet on your Android device. Next, type Epic Game Store APK or visit Fortnite.com in the address bar. Following that, tap on the download button to download the Epic Game Store APK file. Now, you may see a warning about installing apps from unknown sources. Tap on Settings and enable Install Unknown Apps or Allow from this source for your browser. Moving forward, go back and tap on the downloaded APK file in your Notifications or Downloads folder. Tap Install to install the Epic Game Store app. The installation will complete in a few seconds. Afterwards, open the Epic Game Store app from your app drawer or home screen. You may need to log in with your Epic Games account or create a new one if you don't have one. Once logged in, you'll see the Epic Game Store homepage. Tap on the search icon and type Fortnite in the search bar. Fortnite will appear in the search results. Tap on Fortnite and then tap on Install or Download. The game will begin downloading, which may take some time as it's a large file. Once the download completes, tap Install to install Fortnite on your device. After installation, you can launch Fortnite and start playing. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you download Fortnite on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.